Today I got some slime. Instructions. Okay. Okay, we're going to open it up, but first, do we just want to look at it, you know?
Oh.
First.
How many have you got in there?
We got 12. It says it right here. I don't know if you can see or not. Yeah, but it says it right there.
Oh, okay. So let's get open. I want to open it. I want to see what's inside. What's going on?
Okay. I think you open it like this. Yeah, you do.
Ooh. What? There's so many.
Okay, let's open this one.
Okay.
If I can. Oh, it feels
Whoa, what does it feel like?
I don't know.
Ooh, so slimy.
It's actually slimy. Look, it's sticky. I didn't know slime could actually be that sticky.
What does it smell like?
Oh, it smells like sand or something.
What are these for? What are these? What are these shapes?
Those are molds.
They're molds.
Yeah.
So what do you do with a mold? How does it work?
So you put the slime in it. It's just the right size.
Which one should I do? What's that? What is this one?
A whale.
It's a whale. Let me show it to the camera. Okay.
This one is like stress slime. I'm gonna cut this.
What is that one?
I think it's a lobster.
It's a lobster.
I think so.
Ah.
Oh look, you can cut them in half.
So what flavours have you got there? What's going on? Show everyone.
This is apple flavour.
Okay.
This is grape slime. Grape slime. This is my other grape slime. Actually, that's blackberry. That's blackberry. Actually, this is blackberry slime.
Yeah.
This is actually going to be grape slime. That's blackberry slime.
Wow. Where's the blackberry?
Yeah.
Ah. What colour is that one? Let me see. Oh, okay.
Grape? Grape?
What do you like about it?
Like the texture.
You like the texture?
Yeah.
Oh.
What I really love about slime that it doesn't stick on your hands except for your clothes.
Ah. And what don't you like about it? Or do you like everything?
I just love everything except for clothes. Actually, two favourites.
Which ones?
This one and
Show the camera.
This one.
What colour is that one?
Yellow. And this one. And this one's pink.
Oh, yellow and pink are your two favourite ones.
Yeah. Okay, next slime is... This is Coca-Cola slime. No one has ever seen Coca-Cola slime. Yellow and brown.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, and again, if you get a little... If it gets like a little tiny bit, you stretch it out, it gets clear.
Does it? Let me see. Oh.
But this, do not eat slime. It's not edible unless if you make edible slime.
Oh, it's not edible.
Nope.
What does that mean?
It means that you can't eat it.
Oh.
Edible means that you can eat it.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Basically, I'm saying you can't eat it.
Oh, that's not fair. I'm very hungry.
Well, soon we're gonna have a sweet video.
Oh, a sweet video. Oh my gosh.
That's starving you up.
I can't wait to do the sweet video. I'm ready.
Only girls are allowed to eat them.
What?
'Cause I'm in charge of it.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
That's what you can do with it. Oh!
It popped.
Wasn't that so cool? Hear it? Can't hear it. And let me do it again. Oh, I can't. Oh, did you hear that, guys? Guys, it has the bubbles as Coca-Cola. And when you shine in light, it looks like gold.
Oh, it does, doesn't it?
I'm going to show it.
Ah.
Did you see that gold?
We're going to call your channel Princess Anashe, or Anashe's World, or Anashe's Toys.
Anashe's World.
Anashe's World.
Yeah.
Yeah? Not Princess Anashe.
No, Anashe's World.
Okay, so
Anashe's World.
tell people to subscribe to your channel called...
Anashe's World.
Yeah. I'll put the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.